Hello guys, today we are discussing on the numerical problem based on intensity and intensity level. So this is the first question. What is the intensity of 48 decibel sound? What will be the sound level if there are 4 such identical sources of sound? So in this case, there is the intensity of sound that is 48 decibel and we have to find out Hello guys, today we are discussing on the numerical problem based on the intensity and intensity level. So basically this is the question number 1. What is the intensity of 48 decibel sound and what will be the sound level if there are 4 such identical sources of sound? So in this question we have to find out intensity for 48 decibel sound. So decibel, 48 decibel, it means it's a intensity level. 48 decibel, it's a intensity level and we have to find out intensity for that intensity level. So guys, intensity level 1, because there is only one sound source. So intensity level 1, that is 48 decibel. So intensity level 1, it means intensity level of one source. So now we have to find out intensity 1. It means we have to find out intensity for one source. Because our next statement is what will be the sound level if there are 4 such identical sources of sound. It means there is only one source and with the help of that source we are getting intensity level that is 48 decibel and we have to find out the intensity for that one source. After that we have to find out the sound level, means intensity level for these 4 such identical sources. So that's why here IL1 means intensity level for one source, that is a 48 decibel, and we have to find out I1 means intensity of one source, and after that we have to find out IL4 means intensity level of 4 sources, and I4 it means intensity of 4 sources. So guys, here we are using intensity level formula, that is IL1 is equal to 10 log I1 divided by I0. So if you know the intensity level for one source, so it means intensity level for one source is getting with help of intensity of one source. So guys, if you know the intensity of one source and if you are putting in this formula, you will get intensity level for one source. So in this case, we know that intensity level for that one source, that is a 48, but we don't know the intensity of that one source. This is the intensity level of one source and this is the intensity for one source. We know the intensity level for one source, that is 48, and 10 as it is, log as it is, I1 means intensity of one source we have to find out, so as it is, and I0 it's a threshold intensity, it's a ideal intensity and value for it is 10 raised to minus 12 watt per meter square. So we can put here. After that guys, see here 10 into log, so we can send 10 at left hand side, so multiplication convert into division, so we will get 48 divided by 10 is equal with log bracket I1 divided by 10 raised to minus 12 bracket closed. Now guys, 48 divided by 10 we will get 4.8 is equal with log I1 divided by 10 raised to minus 12. After this, suppose we have to remove this log, so ultimately there will be impact goes on the left hand side, so we can easily say that by inverse of log, it means if you remove this log, so ultimately this value is goes at the power of 10, so 4.8 is goes at the power of 10, so 10 raised to 4.8 is equal with I1 divided by 10 raised to minus 12. So if you have to remove this log, so ultimately you can easily remove this log from the right hand side, but it will impact on the left hand side and ultimately the value at the left hand side goes at the power of 10. Okay, so ultimately here log will be automatically vanish from here and ultimately the impact goes on the left hand side, so the value 4.8 is goes at the power of 10. So the next step is 10 raised to 4.8 is equal with I1 divided by 10 raised to minus 12. Now 10 raised to minus 12 at the denominator, if you send at the left hand side, so ultimately division convert into multiplication. So at the next stage we will get 10 raised to 4.8 into 10 raised to power minus 12 is equal with I1. Now the 10 base is a common, so we can do the addition or subtraction between powers. So 4.8 plus minus 12, but here plus 4.8 and minus 12. So it means we have to do subtraction between them, like 10 raised to minus 12 plus 4.8. So 12 minus 4.8, 7.2, and greater number is 12. So sign from the greater number. So we will get minus 7.2. So I1 is equal with 10 raised to minus 7.2 watt per meter square. So guys, after getting the I1 means intensity of one source. Now we have to find out intensity level for 4 sources. So intensity level for 4 sources, it means IL4. So for that, 10 log I4 divided by I0. So we required I4, so we can easily get IL4. Okay, so I4 means intensity of 4 sources. So after getting I1, we have to find out I4. So I1, whatever we are getting value at I1, if you are multiplying by 4, so you will get I4. And after getting I4, you can use this same formula for IL4, 10 log I4 divided by I0. So instead of I4, you can put a value. So ultimately you will get IL4. We are same discussing in the next page. Then I4. Because we have to find out IL4, and for the IL4 we required I4. So I4 is equal with I1 into 4. So I1 is 10 raised to minus 7, 10 raised to power minus 7.2 into 4. You will get I4, and this is the intensity. So intensity unit is watt per meter square, and this intensity for 4 sources. Now our target is what? To find out IL4, means intensity level for 4 sources. So again we are using the intensity level formula, that is IL4 is equal with 10 log I4 divided by I0. So instead of I4 we can put a value, that is 4 into 10 raised to minus 10 raised to power minus 7.2. And guys, after getting this, so IL4 is equal with 10 log 4 into 10 raised to minus 7.2 into 10 raised to minus 12. There is another method, guys. 10 raised to minus 12. If you take upper side, so minus 12 convert into plus 12. So guys, IL4 is equal with 10 log 4 into 10 raised to minus 7.2 into 10 raised to plus 10 raised to power plus 12. IL4 is equal with 10 log 10 raised to 4.8 into 4. So ultimately, see, minus 7.2 plus 12, we will get 4.8. So 10 raised to 4.8 into 4. So you are using a calculator, and you can easily put in a calculator log bracket 10 raised to 4.8 into 4. You will get answer 5.40. And if you are multiplying by 10, so you will get answer is 54 decibel. So it's very easy. Intensity level for 4 sources, we will get 54 decibel, because intensity level unit for intensity level is decibel. So guys, intensity of one source I1, that is equal with 10 raised to minus 7.2 watt per meter square, and intensity level for 4 sources IL4 is equal with 54 decibel. So guys, now this is a question number 2. The sound level at a point due to 3 identical horns acting together in the same direction is 74.3 decibel. Estimate the sound level and intensity at the point due to single horn. It means we have to find out sound level and intensity for the single horn, and the sound level they mention 74.3 decibel. This is for 3 identical horns. So it's very easy, guys. In solution we can write like this: intensity level for 3 horns, that is IL3, is equal with 74.3 decibel. And intensity level of one horn, that is IL1, we have to find out, and intensity of one horn I1, that again we have to find out. Guys, intensity level, we are getting idea about the intensity level because of the decibel. If any value in a decibel, so it means that is the intensity level, and any value in a watt per meter square, it means that is the intensity. So guys, first of all, we have to find out intensity level of one horn and intensity of one horn. So intensity level of one horn we can easily get with the intensity of one horn. So we cannot divide the intensity level, that is for the 3 horns, by divide by 3 and get intensity level for one horn. That is a wrong thing, guys. we cannot do the division with the intensity level. We have to do the multiplication and division with increase in a horn or source of sound with the intensity. So guys, by the formula of intensity level, IL3 is equal with 10 log I3 divided by I0. So IL3 means intensity level for 3 horns. So that is a 74.3, and 10 as it is, log as it is, I3 as it is divided by 10 raised to minus 12, because I0, that is value for the I0 is 10 raised to minus 12 watt per meter square. So now guys, the 10 which is at the right hand side, if you send a left hand side, so goes at denominator. So we will get this stage 74.3 divided by 10 is equal with log bracket I3 divided by 10 raised to minus 12. Now guys, after dividing 74.3 by the 10, we will get answer, that is a 7.43 is equal with log I3 divided by 10 raised to minus 12. Now after this guys, now we have to remove the log from the right hand side. So ultimately that will impact on the left hand side, and we can write easily by the log inverse. This value goes at the power of 10, because we are removing log from the right hand side, and remaining thing as it is I3 divided by 10 raised to minus 12. Now the 10 raised to minus 12 from the right hand side comes at the left hand side and convert into multiplication. Now the 10 is the same base for both the things. So we can do the addition or subtraction between the powers. 7.43 minus 12. So ultimately we are getting answer, because this 7.43 is in a positive and 12 is in a negative. So there is a subtraction between these two things. Subtraction is 4.57, and ultimately the greater value, that is a 12. So because of the sign from the greater value, the answer will be in a negative, that is minus 4.57. So final answer for the I3 is equal with 10 raised to power minus 4.57 watt per meter square. So guys, this is the intensity for the 3 horns. They mention intensity level for the 3 horns, and with the help of intensity level of 3 horns, we can easily find the intensity of 3 horns, and that intensity of 3 horns we can divide by 3, and we will get intensity of 1 horn. So it means we can write intensity of 1 horn, that is I1 is equal with I3 divided by 3. So now in the next stage we can put a value of I3, that is a 10 raised to minus 4.57 divided by 3. So it means I1 we are getting 0.89718 into 10 raised to minus 5 watt per meter square. So guys, we are getting over here the I1, and with help of I1 means intensity of one source, we can easily find out the intensity level of 1 horn. So that means again we can write easily. Also then the intensity level of 1 horn, that is IL1 means intensity level of 1 horn, is equal with 10 log I1 divided by I0. This is the basic formula guys. IL is equal with 10 log I divided by I0. If you have to find out the intensity level for 1 horn, so you can easily write IL1, and in the bracket you have to take intensity of 1 horn, that is I1. Okay, so guys, IL1 is equal with 10 log I1 divided by 10 raised to minus 12, because I0 is equal with 10 raised to minus 12 watt per meter square. This is a guys threshold intensity. It's so common for all numerical problems. Okay, so guys, I1, we are putting the value of I1, that is 0.89718 into 10 raised to minus 5. And now guys, we have the calculator. You have rights to use a calculator. So ultimately use a calculator after this stage. Directly you will get answer, that is a 69.53 decibel. The steps are not necessary, because you have the rights, you have the permission to use calculator. Okay, so guys, with the help of calculator you will get answer, that is intensity level 1 is equal with 69.53 decibel. So at the last you can easily write answer, intensity of 1 horn, that is 0.89718 into 10 raised to minus 5 watt per meter square, and intensity level of 1 horn, that is 69.53 decibel. Guys, don't forget to write the unit for the respective quantity, physical quantity. Like for intensity, unit is watt per meter square, and for intensity level unit is decibel. Guys, one more thing, if you are putting any value, so see, if you are putting a value in a calculator like log, then this value, so do one thing. After taking log, take a bracket and then again take a bracket for upper value and bracket close, then divide symbol, then bracket for the 10 raised to minus 12, and after putting a value 10 raised to minus 12, again take a bracket, and after that again a last bracket. It means you have to take the bracket for the numerator, special bracket for the numerator, and special bracket for the numerator and special bracket for the numerator, and both the things you have to keep in a bracket, and then you can apply log. Then only you will get answer like a 6.952879958. If you are not taking a bracket, so ultimately the 10 raised to minus 5 and 10 raised to minus 12 goes in a division, and this portion will as it is over there, and you will get wrong answer. So guys, use a calculator in proper manner, then only you will get correct answer. Guys, this is a question number 3. What is the intensity of 30 decibel sound? Means we have to find out intensity for the 30 decibel sound. What is the intensity of sound that has twice this intensity level? It means again we have to find out intensity of sound, but we have to twice this intensity level. It means this intensity level is 30 decibel. Now the next intensity level is 60 decibel. It means there are two different values for the intensity level. One is 30 decibel and another one is 60 decibel. And for the both intensity levels, we have to find out intensity. It's very easy question, guys. So we can easily write intensity level, initial intensity level, that is a 30 decibel. We don't have idea how many the sources are there. Okay. There are one speaker or two speaker, we don't have idea, but there is a sound and the intensity level for that sound, that is a 30 decibel. So we can find out intensity for that we can easily find out intensity for this intensity level. So we are using same formula, intensity level formula, that is IL is equal with 10 log I divided by I naught. This is intensity level, this is 10, this is log, this is I means intensity, and I naught means threshold intensity, and value for the I naught, that is 10 raised to minus 12. So now we know that intensity level, that is a 30 decibel. We are putting a value 30 is equal with 10 log I divided by 10 raised to minus 12. Now this 10 we are sending left hand side, so we will get 30 divided by 10, and at the last we will get answer on the next stage. 3 is equal with log I divided by 10 raised to minus 12. Now after this stage, you know that we are try to removing log. So we are taking by inverse of log. So this 3, value of 3 goes as the power of 10. So we will get in the next stage 10 raised to power 3 is equal with I divided by 10 raised to minus 12, because the log we will remove from here, and ultimately this will impact on the value at the right hand side. The value at the right hand side goes at the power of 10. Okay, so it means after getting this 10 raised to 3 as it is, 10 raised to minus 12 from the right hand side, we will send to the left hand side. So ultimately we have to do the this 10 raised to minus 12 converted into multiplication. So ultimately 10 raised to power 3 into 10 raised to minus 12 is equal with I. So now the 10 base are common. So now we are doing addition or subtraction between the powers. So the 3 is in a positive, 12 is in a negative. So we have to do the subtraction. 3 minus 12, we will get answer minus 9. 12 minus 3, 9, but 12 is a greater number, and sign of the 12, that is a minus. So we will get answer is in a minus 9. So final answer is intensity is equal with 10 raised to minus 9 watt per meter square. So guys, here we are getting intensity for intensity level 30 decibel. Now again we have to take twice this intensity level. It means we have to take intensity level which is around 60 decibel. 30 into 2, 60 decibel. So guys, by formula of intensity level, that is IL is equal with 10 log I divided by I naught. So IL is 60 decibel as per the information, is equal with 10 log I divided by 10 raised to minus 12. So now after this stage, we can send 10 left hand side. So we will get 60 divided by 10. At the last we will get on the next stage 6 is equal with log I divided by 10 raised to minus 12. Now after this stage, we try to remove this log from right hand side, and this will this will goes impact on the left hand, the value from the left hand side. 6 goes at the power of 10. So 10 raised to 6 is equal with I divided by 10 raised to minus 12. Now 10 raised to minus 12 we will send at the left hand side the division convert into multiplication. Now we will see the base is common, so we have to do addition and subtraction. Addition or subtraction between the powers. One power is in a positive and another power is in a negative, so we have to do the subtraction between them. 12 minus 6, 6, and 12 has a 12 is here, 12 is greater number and has a negative sign, so ultimately answer will be in a negative. So again the final answer is I is equal with 10 raised to minus 6 watt per meter square. At the last we can easily write the answer. Intensity for 30 decibel, that is 10 raised to minus 9 watt per meter square, and intensity for 60 decibel, that is 10 raised to minus 6 watt per meter square. Guys, this is a question number 4. What is the intensity level of sound that has an intensity of 6 into 10 raised to minus 6 watt per meter square? What is the intensity level of a sound that has a twice this intensity, namely 12 into 10 raised to 6 minus 6 watt per meter square? So guys, here we have to find out intensity level for this intensity. Again we have to find out the intensity level for the new intensity. Means there are two different intensities. One is 6 into 10 raised to minus 6 watt per meter square, and another intensity is 12 into 10 raised to minus 6 watt per meter square. We have to find out the intensity level for both the intensities. So in a solution we can write I means intensity is equal with 6 into 10 raised to minus 6 watt per meter square. Then what is the IL? And again if the intensity means I is equal with 12 into 10 raised to minus 6 watt per meter square, then what is the intensity level? So guys, we can take help of formula of intensity level. So we have to write by formula of intensity level. IL is equal with 10 into log bracket I divided by I naught bracket closed. So IL, because we have to find out intensity level, so we are keeping as it is. IL is equal with 10 log. Instead of I, we can take value 6 into 10 raised to minus 6, and I naught, that is 10 raised to minus 12, because it's a threshold intensity. So now guys, 10 raised to minus 12, if you send upper side, so it's become a 10 raised to plus 12. So in the next stage we can write IL is equal with 10 log 6 into 10 raised to minus 6 into 10 raised to 12. So now 10 raised to minus 6 and 10 raised to 12, the base is common, so minus 6 and plus 12, we will get plus 6. So in the next stage we can write intensity level is equal with 10 log 6 into 10 raised to 6. Now you can take help of a calculator. You can put in a calculator log bracket 6 into 10 raised to 6. You will get answer 6.7781, and if you multiply this value with the 10, you will get answer 67.78 decibel. So intensity level for the intensity 6 into 10 raised to minus 6 is what? 67.78 decibel. So guys, after this again we have the another intensity, and for the another intensity we have to find out intensity level. So we are again using the formula of intensity level, that is IL is equal with 10 log bracket I divided by I naught. So intensity level is equal with 10 log I is 10 raised to minus 12, 12 into 10 raised to minus 6 watt per meter square, and I naught is 10 raised to minus 12, and 10 raised to minus 12 you can take you can take at upper side. So ultimately you will get answer 12 into 10 raised to minus 6 into 10 raised to 12. Now 10 is common base, so we can do the addition or subtraction between the powers. So we will get answer is 10 raised to plus 6. So guys, intensity level is equal to 10 log 12 into 10 raised to 6. It means if you are using a calculator and if you are putting in a calculator log bracket 12 into 10 raised to 6, you will get answer 7.0791, and if you are multiplying by 10, you will get answer as an intensity level, that is 70.791 decibel. And answer you can write it in a statement if the intensity is 6 into 10 raised to minus 6 watt per meter square, then intensity level is 67.78 decibel. And if the intensity is 12 into 10 raised to minus 6 watt per meter square, then intensity level is 70.79 decibel. Okay. Guys, now this is question number 5. What is the intensity level of sound that has an intensity of 48 into 10 raised to minus 6 watt per meter square? And what is the intensity level for a sound which has a twice this intensity? It means we have to find out intensity level for this intensity, and again we have to find out intensity level for twice this intensity. Means 48 into 10 raised to minus 6 into 2, it means we will get around 96 into 10 raised to minus 6 watt per meter square. It means we have to find out intensity level for two different intensities. So we can write in solution, if the intensity is 48 into 10 raised to minus 6 watt per meter square, then what is the intensity level? And again, if the intensity is 96 into 10 raised to minus 6 watt per meter square, then what is the intensity level? It means we have to find out two time intensity level for two different intensities. So it means we are taking help of a formula of intensity level. So we can write like this: by the formula of intensity level, IL is equal with 10 log I divided by I naught. So in the next step, we can put a value of I, that is 48 into 10 raised to minus 6, and I naught, that is a value, the value for the I naught is 10 raised to minus 12. So after getting this, you can use a calculator, guys. You can put in a calculator log bracket, then again bracket 48 into 10 raised to minus 6 bracket close, divide, then again bracket 10 raised to minus 12 bracket closed, and the large bracket closed. So after putting like this in a calculator, directly you will get answer, that is 7.681. And if you are multiplying by 10 with the 7.681, you will get answer 76.81 decibel. So intensity level is 76.81 decibel. Guys, steps are not mandatory. The formula is important. Put a value in the formula, that is important. And after this, it's not necessary to write all the steps. You can directly write answer because you have permission to use a calculator. Okay, so guys, after that, also again we are using the same formula to find out intensity level for the another intensity. So intensity level is equal with 10 log I divided by I naught. So 10 as it is, log as it is, I, that is equal with 96 into 10 raised to minus 6, and I, that is equal with 10 raised to minus 12. So I is equal with 96 into 10 raised to minus 6, and I naught is equal with 10 raised to minus 12. Now guys, after this stage, you can use a directly calculator. Put in a calculator log, then bracket, then again bracket 96 into 10 raised to minus 6 bracket close, division symbol, then bracket 10 raised to minus 12 bracket closed, and again the bracket closed. You will get directly answer, that is 7.982. So if you are multiplying by 10, you will get answer as an intensity level 79.82 decibel. So guys, this intensity level for the intensity 48 into 10 raised to minus 6 watt per meter square, and this intensity level for intensity 96 into 10 raised to minus 6 watt per meter square. On the next page, you can see how the right answer at the last. If intensity is 48 into 10 raised to minus 6 watt per meter square, then intensity level is 76.81 decibel. And if the intensity is 96 into 10 raised to minus 6 watt per meter square, then intensity level is 79.82 decibel. Guys, this is question number 6. If the sound level close to the speaker that has an area of 120 centimeter square is 60 decibel, determine the intensity of sound and the power radiated by the speaker. So in this case, we have to find out the intensity of sound, means I, and power radiated by that speaker. And they mention 60 decibel, that is the intensity level. Okay, so with help of intensity level, we can find out intensity. Okay, and again we have to find out power, and they mention area of that speaker, that is a 120 centimeter square. So in solution, we can easily write IL, means intensity level, that is 60 decibel, and area of speaker, that is 120 centimeter square. So this is in a centimeter square, so we are converting in a meter square. So area become 120 into 10 raised to minus 4 meter square. Now we have to find out intensity and power that is radiated by that speaker. So by the formula of intensity level, IL is equal with 10 log I divided by I naught. So IL means intensity level is 60 is equal with 10 log I divided by 10 raised to minus 12. So now 10 from the right hand side we will send to the left hand side. So the step become 60 divided by 10 is equal with log I divided by 10 raised to minus 12, because we know that I naught that is equal with 10 raised to minus 12. So now 60 divided by 10, 6. So 6 is equal with log I divided by 10 raised to minus 12. Now we are trying to remove this log, so that's why we can write by inverse of log. So from the right hand side log will be removed and the impact goes on left hand side. The value like a 6 goes at the power of 10. So we will get 10 raised to 6 is equal with I divided by 10 raised to minus 12. So now 10 raised to minus 12 from the right hand side we will shift to the left hand side. So the division convert into multiplication. We will get 10 raised to 6 into 10 raised to minus 12 is equal with I. Now the base are common like a 10. So we have to do the subtraction or addition between the powers. So here we have to do the subtraction because one value which is in a positive like a 6 and another value which is in a negative like a minus 12. So 6 minus 12 we are getting answer is minus 6. So I is equal with 10 raised to minus 6 watt per meter square. So guys, after this we try to find out power. So we are using another formula that there are only two formulas in the intensity and intensity level. One is the intensity level wala, IL is equal with 10 log I divided by I naught, and this is another formula for the intensity that is equal with power divided by area. So intensity is 10 raised to minus 6 is equal with power divided by area, that is 120 into 10 raised to minus 4. The area is already mentioned in a question. So now 120 into 10 raised to minus 4 at denominator, so we will send to the left hand side, convert into multiplication. So we will get power that is equal with 12 into 10 raised to minus 9 watt. So at the last we can write answer in a statement. Intensity of speaker that is a 10 raised to minus 6 watt per meter square, and power radiated by the per speaker that is 12 into 10 raised to minus 9 watt. Guys, question number 7. On audio system with two identical speakers delivers 1.25 milliwatt of sound power from each speaker. Means there is an audio system which has a two speaker in that audio system, and the power which is delivered by the each speaker that is 1.25 milliwatt. If the area of the speaker is 126, means 126 centimeter square from which the sound radiates, what will be the sound intensity in front of speaker? Means एक speaker के सामने वाला intensity. What will be the sound level in front of the audio set? So guys, in this question, what they mention, the power of one speaker that is 1.25 milliwatt. So we are converting into watt, like a 1.25 into 10 raised to minus 3 watt. And area of one speaker that is a 126 centimeter square. So we have to convert in a meter square, 126 into 10 raised to minus 4 meter square. Then by the formula of intensity of one speaker that is equal with P divided by A. But here there are two speakers in an audio system. So that's why we are indicating by I1. I1 means intensity of one speaker, that is power divided by area, power of one speaker and area of one speaker. So answer 1.25 into 10 raised to minus 3 divided by 126 into 10 raised to minus 4. So intensity 1 that will become a 0.099206 watt per meter square. Okay guys, after this we are getting the intensity for the one speaker. So we have to find out intensity for two speakers. It means intensity of audio set, because audio set has a two speaker, it means the intensity of two speaker, it means intensity of audio set. So that is I2 is equal with 2 into I1. So we are getting 2 into 0.099206. I2 means intensity of audio set, that is equal with 0.198412 watt per meter square. So here we are getting I2 means intensity of audio set means intensity of two speakers, because our target to find out intensity of intensity level of audio set. Intensity level, if we have to find out intensity level, so it means we required intensity. So intensity level bola hai for the audio set, it means we required intensity of audio set. That's why we done this part. So now we are going on the next page to find out intensity level for audio set. So guys, then by the formula of intensity level, intensity of audio set means IL2, that is equal with 10 log I2 divided by I0. So IL2 is equal with 10 log 0.198412 divide 10 raised to minus 12. Okay, instead of I0 we can take 10 raised to minus 12, and I2's values, that is a 0.198412. So now ultimately if you are using a calculator guys, so with help of calculator you can easily get value, that is IL2 is equal with 112.97 5679 decibel. So at the last you can easily write the intensity of speaker, that is 0.099206 watt per meter square, and intensity level of audio set, whole the audio set, it means intensity level of two speakers, that is 112.97 decibel. You must know the intensity unit is watt per meter square and intensity levels unit is decibel. Guys, this is question number 8, and a certain hi-fi set has two identical loudspeakers, each of which has a 75 centimeter square area from which the sound comes. If a 0.015 watt of sound power comes from each speaker, what is the sound intensity in front of a speaker, and what will be the sound level in front of hi-fi set? So guys, this question is same as it is question number 7. There is only thing, the question number 7 is based on audio set, there is a word audio set, and question number 8 is based on hi-fi set, means there is a word only hi-fi set. The difference between two words like audio set and hi-fi set. Here also we have to find out sound level for hi-fi set, and this hi-fi set has a two identical speakers. And before that we have to find out sound intensity of speaker, means एक स्पीकर का इंटेंसिटी निकालना है, फिर हाई-फाई सेट का इंटेंसिटी लेवल निकालना है, मीन्स उसके लिए दो स्पीकर का इंटेंसिटी निकालना पड़ेगा. सो गाइस सॉल्यूशन में देखिए, एरिया ऑफ वन स्पीकर दैट इज 75 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर, वी आर कन्वर्टिंग इनटू मीटर स्क्वायर, सो आंसर विल बी 75 into 10 raised to minus 4 meter square. Power comes from each speaker, that is 0.015 watt, that is in a watt, so it's not necessary to convert in any another unit. So then by the formula of intensity of one speaker, that is I1, we can say that I1 is equal with power divided by area, so I1 is equal with 0.015 divided by 75 into 10 raised to minus 4, and you will get answer, that is I is equal with 2 watt per meter square. So this I1, this is I means I1 intensity of one speaker, then intensity of two speaker, that is 2 into I1, it means I2 is equal with 4 watt per meter square. I2 means intensity of two speaker. Why we require intensity of two speaker if they ask to find out intensity of one speaker? Intensity of one speaker, that's correct, they asked about to find out intensity of one speaker, so we done here, but we have to find out intensity level for hi-fi set. And intensity level of hi-fi set, it means hi-fi set has a two speakers, it means for the intensity level we require intensity, and it means we require intensity of two speaker. So 2 into I1, it means I2 is equal with 4 watt per meter square. Then hence by the formula of intensity level of hi-fi set means IL2 is equal with 10 log I2 divided by I0. So we are going on the next page and we are putting a value in a formula on the next page. So IL2 is equal with 10 log 4 divided by 10 raised to minus 12. Okay, so IL2 is equal with 10 log 4 into 10 raised to 12, 10 raised to minus 12 if it goes upper side, so minus 12 convert into plus 12. So now you can use a calculator and you can easily get answer, that is around 126.02 decibel. So guys, at the last you can write answer in a statement. Intensity of each speaker, that is 2 watt per meter square, and intensity level of hi-fi set, that is 126.02 decibel. Estimate the intensity level estimate the intensity of sound at a point due to single loudspeaker. It means we have to find out intensity due to single loudspeaker. If the sound level at a point due to two such identical speakers acting in the same direction is 72.05 decibel. It means this 72.05 decibel, it's an intensity level. But how many speaker? Two speaker. So in a solution we can easily write RL2 is equal with 72.05 decibel. It means this is the intensity level for two speakers. So it means we have to find out I1. I1 means intensity of one speaker. So with help of this formula of intensity level, we can write like this: intensity level for two speakers is equal with 10 log intensity of two speaker divided by I0. Our target is I1, but with this formula we will get I2. Why? Because they mention intensity level of two speaker. So intensity level of two speaker, that is 72.05, is equal with 10 log I2 divided by 10 raised to minus 12, because I0 is equal with 10 raised to minus 12. So on the next stage we can send 10 from right hand side to left hand side. So we will get 72.05 divided by 10 is equal with log bracket I2 divided by 10 raised to minus 12. So 7.205, because 72.05 divided by 10, we will get 7.205 is equal with log I2 divided by 10 raised to minus 12. Now guys, after this stage we know that we have to remove that log, so we can write by inverse of log. So ultimately that from the right hand side the log will be vanished, but on the impact goes on a left hand side, the value like a 7.205 goes in power of 10, like a 10 raised to 7.205 is equal with I2 divided by 10 raised to minus 12. Now the 10 raised to minus 12 from the left hand side, right hand side, we will send to the left hand side. So division converted into multiplication. So now in this stage the power the base 10 are common base, so it means base is common. So ultimately we can do the addition or subtraction between the powers. So we will get I2 is equal with 10 raised to 7.205 minus 12. So ultimately answer will be I2 is equal with 10 raised to minus 4.795 watt per meter square. So it means here I2 means intensity of two speakers, and if you are I2 divided by 2, so you will get intensity of single loudspeaker. So we can write like this: the intensity of single loudspeaker, that is I1 is equal with I2 divided by 2. So guys, here I1 is equal with 10 raised to minus 4.795. So I1 is equal with 0.80162 into 10 raised to minus 5 watt per meter square. So at the last you can write answer with the statement: intensity of single loudspeaker, that is 0.80162 into 10 raised to minus 5 watt per meter square.